Ever dreamed of transforming math lessons from a chore into a captivating journey? Let's jump into Adobe Animate CC and craft some awesome math animations. Start by opening Adobe Animate, create a new document, and configure your settings, such as frame rate and stage size. Frame rate of 4 FPS is a great starting point, striking a balance between smoothness and manageable file size. Grab your drawing tools. These are your instruments. Use the shape tools to bring numbers, geometric shapes, and visual elements to life. Begin with a simple equation, like 2 + 2 = 4 inches. Draw the numbers and the plus and equal signs, ensuring everything is clear and easy to see. Let the animation magic begin. Select a number. Create a keyframe by right-clicking on the timeline and selecting Insert Keyframe. Move the playhead forward a few frames, and then create animation. Use motion tweens for smooth movement. Do this for each number, plus and equal signs. To boost your animation, play with effects. For instance, make the numbers bounce subtly, perhaps add a faint glow for emphasis. In a nutshell, begin by designing a visually compelling canvas. Construct your elements with the drawing tools, layering them as needed. Use the timeline to sequence them, then add movement and transitions, and there you have it. In a few simple steps, you can invigorate math concepts and create some educational wonders. Consider applying text effects to all equations.